Welcome to yet another video from Art with Pam. So today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of this 2020 planner from Alicia Souza. I know it's quite late in the year to show this video, but then I thought it's better late than never. So this package arrived me within 5 days of order, and as you can see, it came in such a good condition, and I love the sticker she has put across on the box. So let's get into opening the box, and it's really very attractive. The first impression itself, it's so good, to be frank. This box full of colorful doodles, and it's such a sturdy box. I'm sure I can make use of this box in some other way. And here is a note from the artist herself, and it says, "Dear sweetheart of a person." So that's very lovely and such a kind note, which I'll read later. See what's inside the box. So I'm going to open this box. Can't say how much I love these lovely colorful doodles she has put in along the box. And yeah, here is a vellum sheet, probably for the packaging and the element of surprise. So the same doodles, colorless, goes on to the vellum sheet, and I'm going to make use of this vellum sheet for one of my card videos, and that's going to be perfect for a card. So here is a small pocket calendar from her, 2020, Year of Cheer 2020, and it looks very beautiful. Oh, I love this golden embossing here, which has her logo in it, and it says, "Have a wonderful year." It's so shiny, shimmery, shiny. I love such kind of things. So, and it's not too much, so it looks really elegant. So it says this year belongs to, and you can write down your name here and your address over here, and it also says "Raw face" here with a hat. So it's kind of fun using this journal as such. So I've been using this for the past few months now, and it's super fun. So here is a 2020 calendar and 2021 calendar on the side for quick reference, and this is just a pocket journal, so I mean pocket calendar. So I generally take this around while I'm moving from one workstation to the other. So, and whatever quick things comes into my mind, I note it down on this pocket calendar, and later I transfer them onto my the other planner there. Yeah, I transfer them to the other planner later. So I just take quick notes here, like things that come into my mind quickly. And I love these cute little doodles that she has put across every month, and after each month there is a page which has illustration along with some inspirational quote or motivational quote. And she has also followed a color themed banner or border on each of the months here. Very simple, and some of these illustrations are very cute, super cute. It reminds you of love, it reminds you of kindness, it reminds you of being okay to be lazy sometimes. So those kind of positive quotes. And see, this says, "Don't forget to," like self-love kind of quotes. All these things are there inside the pocket calendar, and there are these empty pages here for you can either note down something or you can doodle something of your choice. So I plan to fill up my planner with doodles as well. So moving on to the planner. So I told you this box is excellent. It's super sturdy, and you can fill them up with your goodies like your art supplies and craft supplies. So let's move on to the main planner here. So you can see it looks very elegant, and as elegant as the pocket planner. So it's kind of the same design, the same shimmery shine effect, and there is this attractive thing here. There is a loop for keeping your pen. So I used to have the habit of putting it inside the spiral binding there, but generally I lose my pen I don't lose it, but it looks awkward when I put in my pen there. And here there is a bookmark kind of thing which I will show you towards the end of this video. So now as I open the page, this is the first thing you see. So you have this space here to write down your name, and there is that fun task of putting your happy face in there. The quality of the paper is good, so this is something very important to me because I tend to use a lot of colors and markers. So here is a space for your personal information, and on the left side she has put in another wish, like happy new year wish sort of thing. And over here you can see the 2020 calendar on one side and 2021 calendar for your reference. So this is the exciting part. There are a lot of stickers included in this journal, and very cute little illustrations, doodles, and those kind of stickers. And I've been using this journal for a few months now, and I tend to use less of these stickers than I thought I would actually do. So maybe towards the end of the year I'll just ask my son to put them on random places across my journal, because he loves stickers, and I'm sure he's going to enjoy this task. These kind of stickers, like Dreamers Gonna Dream, those are my kind of stickers, and of course I will be making use of those kind of stickers for sure. So here is the next fun task. So here we have a letter for you from you. So on the next page, Alicia Souza has put up a blank page for us to write a letter for ourselves. So she asks us to write anything, whether it's our hopes, dreams, resolutions for the year, such kind of things. So now on the next page we have this budget planner. This is very important to me. I so badly wanted a budget planner thing for my calendar or my journal. So I kind of find this quite short, but that will do for the time being, because I'm not that much of a budget planning person, but I would try to build the habit. So this page would do. On the next page here we have 20 things and things to do for 2020, and she has put up space for 20 little number of things that you're planning to do this year. And on the next page we have goals for the year, steps to reach goal, and here starts the year. There is a illustration, and here is January, birthdays, this month's goals. Here is a habit tracker. On the habit tracker we have spaces for whatever habits we need to follow for each month, and there is also a period tracker session here. All these are really useful for me. And here is a monthly meal plan, and on the next page you have a shopping list, clean this up, organize the mess, task to do, columns for things like your grocery shopping. And here we have the daily planner layout. So just like the one we had in the pocket calendar, like I said earlier, whatever I note down in the pocket calendar, I'll just transfer them to the bigger planner later, while I'm on the move, working from one desk to the other desk, or like whenever I'm on the move. And here we have the daily journaling space. So I note down whatever happened to me in a day. I just note down towards the end of the night or the next morning. I'll just note down whatever happened to me in a day, and it's up to you. You can use the space for whatever sort of planning you want to do, or if you want to note down your appointments, tasks to do, whatever method you follow. I generally had the habit of journaling from such a long time, but this is only now I started developing a planning habit. And then it goes up to the end of the month, up to 30 or 31 days, and then there is a blank page, and these are like dotted grids. So I think I'm going to make use of them for some sort of calligraphy works. Say hello to someone you know and someone new is the motto for the month of February. So it just follows the same pattern across every month: the monthly meal plan, the habit tracker, the grocery shopping list, the clean up the mess, task to do, again the daily planner and the daily journaling space, and it keeps going on in that way. And there are those cute illustrations everywhere. There are 2 blank spaces with the dot grids, then the next month March. So the rest of the journal just goes in the same pattern. Like I said, it's a repetition of whatever you just saw now in the month of January. Here comes another interesting part in this journal. So she has put across these motifs which you can just tear off, and you can use them to decorate your desk or workspace or your walls or your notice board. Sorry for the background noise, guys. So now we have come towards the end of the journal, and there are blank spaces for you to note down your notes or other kind of reminders or your scribbles and such things. Again, there are dot grids there. I'm going to use them for some calligraphy. There is this pocket here where you can put in stuffs like your bills, your receipts, the letter she has given. Even you can put in your pocket calendar there. And this is the bookmark I told you about initially. It's such a cute little illustrated bookmark, and you can use them to mark the page you have just left behind. So with that, we come to the end of this beautiful journal from Alicia Souza. I'm so much in love with it, and since I've been using it for the past few months, I know how well I'm making use of it because it's so attractive. So you can see me putting that pen there in the loop, and it's really attractive because of all these good features like the pen holder, the bookmark, the way she has sorted things out from someone who is just started with planning habit like me. I just started with it. So I'm very happy with this product. I hope you all give it a try. Maybe not this year, but the next year, as we all are locked down. I'm sure it's not possible for the time being. So until I catch you up in the next video, bye bye, take care, love to you all. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell notification, like, comment and share.